Hello, hello, hello again. Our first card is Leap of Faith. We must believe in ourselves. Our second card is 1414, it's possibilities, and we must understand that with deep gratitude, we can connect to all that is, the abundance that is available to us. Sit down and just go deep after all the hassles you've been through in your life. Be grateful for where you are at the moment and find peace in that. We are all exactly where we are supposed to be at this time. There is something better waiting for us, and we must find balance. Things are falling away and we're moving forward with positivity and love and gratitude for life. To be alive at the moment is such a good thing. Embrace this feeling of love, but please make rational decisions for your loved ones and people around you. There is so much to be grateful for. Enjoy your family, love them with all your heart, and use your intuition to guide you, because the angels and the spirit guides speak through you to help you open up and find the balance you need. Although you don't know where this new energy is taking you, something might come in quickly. So be prepared every day. Stay connected, stay grounded, and do the best you can in your situation. There's magic in the air, and we have to be ready to expect the unexpected. The universe is showering us with divine love and grace. This is coming in abundantly. Our last number card is 777, my favorite card. Stay aligned with your truth, your integrity, and allow God to work through you. This will bring you freedom, and it will help you make good choices for yourself and feel the freedom to do what you want to do, what makes your heart happy. Thank you for listening.